climate action starts with all of us in re-examining things that we do, little things. Examine our own lifestyles and habit, and to become aware locally and regionally as to practices that are being committed every day that can help cumulatively to make a quantum difference in the climate. So we need, in terms of climate action, to be responsible, all of us, as individuals, as member states, as communities, as private sector companies, in order to ensure that the climate, the very thing that gives us pleasure and joy when the weather is good, does not in fact become the biggest threat and danger to the long-term existence of civilization on this planet and to the planet itself. Because damage to the planet would be tantamount to damage to the longevity of civilization as we know it. The only alternative or credible choice that we have is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and in that regard, reducing the level of carbon, which is perhaps the most offending of the gases in the atmosphere, is important. And I'm very pleased to see that for the first time in the COP outcome document, there is a very clear reference for all member states to transition away from hydrocarbon-based energy to more sustainable, environmentally friendly sources of energy. That is an improvement, it's a step forward, and therefore it enhances the prospects that we will be able to achieve success.